So Bitcoin stands as the only thing that I've found that I've been able to that can protect you from that. And it stands, and it's that because it's not a coin. It's a protocol bounded by energy. It's an open, decentralized, and secure protocol bounded by energy, and it doesn't care if you want to price it through currency or through pieces of paper that are being manipulated. It doesn't care. It just keeps on moving forward. So relative to Bitcoin, all prices are falling and will forever because it's the only free market force that it is in existence, and everything tethered to the other system is not. It's a control system.
Bitcoin Zella stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoin Zella today and enjoy the new edge. In today's video, Jeff Booth discusses Bitcoin's price falling, measuring from a failing system how Bitcoin and AI will converge. Is Bitcoin a store of value or a currency, and more.
Yeah, we're captured by car crashes. We slow down at a car crash, right? And just everything you do inside the system makes that system stronger. So obviously, if you're watching social media or if you're on one side or the other, it's going to be really hard for me to say something that convinces you that both are equal. Because your belief reinforces, and you're listening to news specifically around your belief that this one's a better evil than the other one. And so like you said before, I've tuned it all out. I'm building a parallel path for me, I'm living in a parallel path that is repricing that world. And I'm helping the entrepreneurs advance that repricing of that world. So it doesn't touch me. I empathize for people that are living there. And once I too was once there, I thought there was a fix from the system creating the problem. But after realizing that there is no fix from the system creating the problem, I had to put my time into something that's more valuable. And I think you're doing the same thing. And people that have moved their time into creating a parallel path that's more valuable for society are finding abundance, and they're finding connection, and they're finding something that's getting better and better and better all of the time. They're immune from that kind of nonsense. So the only reason I kind of almost was triggered when you said pricing Bitcoin from that system is it reinforces that system. You're constantly right. Really what you're saying is, I'm going to trade this for pieces of paper that then I'm going to price the world in. And so you're that notion of doing that is giving the system more strength, because you're thinking, that notion is you're still thinking in a fiat world when it's being repriced. Bitcoin doesn't care, right? It doesn't care about the piece of paper. It doesn't care about Trump. It doesn't care about Biden. It doesn't care about any of that. It's repricing all of it.
Michael Saylor left a cryptic message, most likely addressed to the German government, as their selling operations are placing enormous pressure on the market, practically destroying the momentum of Bitcoin and other assets. The translated message says, "Everyone gets Bitcoin at the price he deserves." The recent operations of the German government's Bitcoin wallet are relevant to the message's background. The German government wallet receives Bitcoin for the first 2 days in a row at the end of business hours. According to some analysts, this is a buyback following a sale. In reality, though, these unsold Bitcoins are being returned to the German government's control wallet. It might seem unusual, but such a large institution might not have enough trust in exchanges and prefer self-custody. A total of 3,073 BTC were added back to the wallet yesterday, bringing the Germans' temporary balance to 27,461 BTC, or roughly $1.57 billion. Another Bitcoin discarding is scheduled for today by the German government. The price of Bitcoin and the mood of the market as a whole have both been significantly impacted by this enormous selling pressure. One interpretation of Saylor's message would be a commentary on the state of the market and how the actions of this institution affect it. It is also possible that Saylor is mocking the decision to sell such a large amount of BTC on the market in such a brutal fashion. It is becoming difficult for Bitcoin to keep up its momentum due to the selling operations that the German government is conducting. This activity highlights the power that institutions and major holders have over the cryptocurrency market, which frequently results in volatility and abrupt price swings. Temporary price reductions brought on by large-scale sales can inspire some people to buy while inciting fear in others.
If you're measuring Bitcoin from a system that has gained all of its wealth, and actually I would even say gained its wealth, protected its wealth from financialization of assets, including stock market, and if you're on top of that, and you've seen financialization, and you think financialization is the free market, then you're likely to see Bitcoin and see, how do I financialize more things and prices that keep going up? And most of our economy, or a lot of the majority, is now financialization. And but all of those things, and I can just do a simple equation, and in Bitcoin, in my house was $1.4 million 4 years ago. It's now $2.1 million in fiat pieces of paper, but relative to Bitcoin, it was 300 Bitcoin 4 years ago, and now it's at today's price, 26 Bitcoin. And so in 4 years, my house will be worth 2 Bitcoin. And so if you want to take your Bitcoin to buy a house because you want the house now, that makes sense, but realize you're overpaying because of the financialization for the house, because the house relative to Bitcoin is falling to its utility value, like all things will in the free market.
In the wake of recent market turbulence, Bitcoin bounced back dramatically, exceeding $59,000 early on July 10, 2024. This resurgence has breathed new life into the market, propelling Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, Aptos, and Arbitrum to notable gains as well. The broad-based recovery has brought a wave of optimism among investors, yet the underlying market sentiment remains mixed. Despite the positive momentum, market experts remain cautious. Marcus Thielen, founder of 10x Research, projects that Bitcoin could continue its ascent to $60,000. However, Thielen predicts this rally might be ephemeral, with potential corrections leading BTC back to the $50,000 range. He indicates that the $55,000, $56,000 bracket has formed a technical base, but ongoing downtrends could negatively impact Bitcoin in the midterm. Vetulandi, senior analyst at K33 Research, foresees continued volatility in Bitcoin's price until October. Historically, the third quarter has delivered the weakest returns, compounded by external factors such as Germany's BTC sales and the ongoing mid-GOX repayment distributions. Lundy suggests that the market needs to absorb these sales throughout the summer, driving fluctuations in the cryptocurrency landscape. The recent uptick in Bitcoin and altcoins offers a glimmer of hope amid market uncertainties. However, the looming concern of prolonged volatility casts a shadow on this recovery. As analysts project both bullish peaks and interim corrections, investors must remain vigilant, basing their decisions on comprehensive market analyses. The crypto market continues to evolve, and staying informed is paramount for navigating its inherent risks and potential rewards. And do not forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Seller. The most important news will reach your inbox on a daily basis and for free. I do not know why you have not subscribed yet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing.